lovers, welcome back with another video. The Caterpillar D11T is a large bulldozer manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporation. It is mainly used in the mining industry. It is also used for push-loading scrappers and dripping rock overburden. It is 35.8 feet long and 10.4 feet wide with a 22 feet wide blade. Dual-purpose heavy-duty bush rake can rake uprooted trees, grass and rocks. The bush rake is ideal for racking blade-plowed land into windrows for burning or chipping. A special seal arrangement guarantees that no dust and soil can enter the hub. The steering system makes it movable around trees and other obstacles. The cutter is a pair of hydraulically powered shears that are designed to cut through metal. It is often called the jaws of life owing to the shape and configuration of its blades. These are most commonly used to cut through a vehicle structure in an extraction operation. These workers use CP300 challenge blade plow to do the plowing in this field. Blade plowing or cutter bearing is the process of cutting roots and stumps of underground to stop regrowth using a blade flow on a bulldozer ripper frame. The plowing depth can vary between approximately 250 to 450 millimeters. To make rocks easier to transport, they're cut with these thick cutters. This hammer model has a 40 cm drop hammer design that breaks up to 9 cm thick reinforced concrete. This low-maintenance concrete breaker achieves a full stroke with every cycle. It delivers 82,000 pounds of impact force. This is an excellent product for the industrial or commercial job site. These workers test a block of forklift fork in a large quarry in Attica. It is designed for lifting and moving large blocks in extreme conditions. This company was established in 1975, focusing on manufacturing and repairing attachments for all classes and types of earth-moving equipment. It is a powerful spindle wedge for forestry professionals. The option of measuring tape control makes it even more unique. It allows the worker to operate from a safe distance, preventing accidents. Dynamic compaction is a ground improvement technique that densifies soils by using a drop weight. The ground is subjected to repeated tamping using a heavy steel and concrete weight. When a vehicle reaches the end of its life, it heads to recycling. Once the car is stripped, it is flat in a joint press and then goes to a shredder. Hammer mills or automobile shredders break up material using big hammers attached to a rotor. The hammer mill is generally four-armed with heavy-duty swing hammers that can reverse. These machines can be diesel-driven or electrically powered. This cutter system consists of a cutter head with two cutter wheels. Cement slurry is injected in the middle of the cutter head between the wheels. After the cutter head has been removed from the mixed panel, it can be reinforced. These weights send shock waves for the equipment up front to record the seismic reflection. This way, they can determine the subsurface structure composition. This is a roadside shredder for micro tractors and agricultural tractors. It allows you to shred with ease on all types of surfaces. Whether flat or inclined, you go along dangerous surfaces in complete safety. This machine is solely used for clearing the land.